Have you ever found yourself wondering where to go on our mobile oil app to get a list of surcharge-free ATMs, local branches, co-op branches? To find the information, open the mobile oil app on your cell phone or tablet and click on the Locations tab at the bottom of your screen. A map will appear with pin drop locations for mobile oil branches, ATM branches, surcharge-free ATMs, deposit-taking ATMs, and co-op branches. If you're on vacation, let's say San Marcos, Texas, you can search for surcharge-free ATMs and co-op branches for the city you are traveling to. Tap on the Search tab on the top left-hand side of your screen. In the search bar, you can search using the city and state of your destination, or you can search using the zip code of your destination. Tap on Go and a map will appear with pin drop locations for surcharge-free ATMs and co-op branches. Tap on this pin drop to see the details of the co-op branch. There you will find the name of the credit union, address, phone number, and the distance from your current location. Tap on the X to close the details of the co-op branch. Tap on this pin drop to see the details of the surcharge-free ATM. There you will find the name of the ATM, the address, and the distance from your current location. We hope using this feature will help you save time and money so you don't have to worry about paying fees at out-of-network ATMs. For more information, visit mobileoilcu.org.